Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I want to welcome you to Viral Traffic System. If you are right now on this page, that means you must have signed up and joined Viral Traffic. I want to welcome you into the community. I want to welcome you into a great project. This project is a very powerful project you must not joke with. And this project is going to generate you $15,000 viral income system. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through your dashboard, how to navigate your dashboard, how to use the different features on your viral traffic dashboard, and also to earn more, that is to boost your income. So right now, if your dashboard is showing, if you're on your dashboard, then it's going to be looking like this. All right, so right at the top right of your page, you're going to see the menu where you can navigate to different section of your dashboard. So right now here we have a video feed where you can post videos and also watch short videos, just like TikTok. And also once you post a short video, funny videos, it's going to show all over the world. People are going to be viewing it, following you, and also subscribing. That is they are going to, like your video. So right now, the second is the network, that is my network. This is where you get your referral link, where you can invite people to viral traffic. You can post on that is. You can share your invitation link to different platforms. So in the third place is the Ask Manager. So I'm going to be showing you how to use this different feature. This Ads Manager is very important. You can promote your business using the Ads Manager. So let me show you. You can promote your business using this Ads Manager by posting posting your business, and your business is going to appear right in front of thousands of people worldwide, and they are going to be viewing your business, and they are going to be joining. And then here you can run text ads. Just input the ad title, the title of your business or your campaign, and then the short description here. And then there you put the link. The link is very, very important. Make sure you can see us are popping up, so you put the link here. So right now, and then here you put the link, and then here you upload any image that represents your business. And once you hit on Save Ads, it's going to save your ads, and then your ads will appear here. Then it's going to show you to make payment for ads you order for. Currently, you can, pay for 7 days. That's going to run for 7 days, and it costs about $1.50 minimum to $2, depending on the traffic. Cost can rise, even up to $5 depending on how the traffic is. So right now, I'm going to show you how to make your subscription, which is very, very important. So to subscribe for monthly subscription on Viral Traffic, you need to come to your dashboard right now. So first thing that you need to do is to make sure your account is verified. So how do you verify your account? How do you get your account verified? You have to upload your profile picture or your business logo. So here's how to do that. You click on the button that's going to show here. So after that, then you set up your payment. You can see ads are popping up. So you set up your payment. That is your method of receiving payment. So that's the 2 ways to verify your account that you're a real person. So after that, once you verify your account, so you are set to activate your subscription. So to activate your subscription, before I show you, I want to clarify the difference between the total balance and the available balance. Here, the total balance means the total number of your network. And that is everyone that are joining from level 1 to level 5. As they are joining and they are verifying their profile, that is going to pay you from $1 up to 15 cents. So in level 1, you're going to be earning $1 for every direct referrals. While in level 2, that is the downlines of your direct referrals. That's the downlines of your downlines. So when they sign up, so the traffic is going to be paying you in level 2, is going to be paying you 75 cents, and then level 3, you're going to be receiving 50 cents, and in level 4, you're going to receive 25 cents, and in level 5, you're going to receive 15 cents for everyone that joins under your level 5. And that income is going to accumulate under your total balance. So now the available balance are those that activate their subscription for the month. So as your network, your team that are activating their subscription, the income is going to come to available balance. And this available balance is the amount that you can withdraw. That can be paid to your account every month is going to be transferred. Whatever you have on your available balance is going to go to your crypto wallet that you have plugged into, to your withdrawal settings dashboard in your back office. So right now, I'm going to show you how to activate your subscription. But before then, let me show you where to enter your method of receiving payment if you have not done that. So what you do is to set your payment method, a method of receiving payment. You just click on your menu and go to settings. So that's what we want to do. So we make sure you have set up your method of receiving payment. You make sure you have uploaded your profile picture and or your business logo. And then you have entered at least 3 minimum payment methods. You can receive payment with Drone. You can receive payment with Solana. You can receive payment with BNB. You can receive payment with Litecoin. You can receive payment with Polygon. You can receive payment with USD TTRC20. You can receive payment also with Ethereum ERC20, and Ethereum BEP20. So there are many ways you can get paid on viral traffic. So right now, I'm going to show you how to activate your monthly subscription. So let's go to profile on your profile. If your dashboard subscription is not activated yet, you're going to see this red notification here that says monthly subscription inactive. Let me ask you something. Why do I see this? So you're going to see this notification that says monthly subscription inactive. Aaron is locked, so you have to activate your monthly subscription before you can have access to unlock auto payment. So auto withdrawals will be activated for you as soon as you activate your subscription for the month. You click here to activate your monthly subscription for just $3. So to do that, I'm going to show you. I'm going to activate this account right now for this month. So I'm going to show you how to do that, so you click here. So once you click on this button here, it's going to go to this page. You can get here from settings to this page, all right? So what you do once it's open here, then you're going to click on this next option here that says monthly subscription. You can see ads are popping up, so let me close this ads. So right now I've tapped on it. So you can see monthly subscription costs just $3 per month. This subscription is gonna give you access to auto withdrawals, and just 1 month subscription can generate you up to $15,000. So right now, to activate your subscription package, you can pay with Tron TRC20. You can also pay with Solana, BNB, or with Litecoin. You can pay with Polygon, you can pay with USDT20, you can pay with Ethereum ERC20, and you can pay with Ethereum BEP20. So right now, I'm going to make payment using Tron TRC20. I'm going to make payment with Tron. So it says that I have to send 8.599 TRX to this address, to this deposit address, so tap here to copy. So right now, if you are making this payment, 8.599, so I would advise you send more than this payment. I will advise you send a little above this payment, so that your transaction will be approved without any delay. So I'm going to tap here to copy the address. So right now, I'm going to go to my crypto wallet and make this payment. So right now, I'm going to show you, so right now, I'm going to show you how to do that to make my payment. All right, my crypto payment, all right. So I'm opening my crypto payment using Talking Pocket. So I want to make payment using Token Pocket. So I've already copied the address that I'm going to make payment into. So I'm waiting for the wallet to load. All right, so right now I have about $3.49. Then come over here and click on Send button. So I'm going to select my deposit currency, which is TRX. I'm paying with TRX, so I'm going to paste this here. So if you paste the deposit address here, and then here, the amount to pay is 8 point now. You can see 8.597. So, but I'm gonna enter 9 tiaras. So I can say to round it off 9 tiaras, because I have about 10 tiaras here. So I'm gonna click on confirm. So I'm gonna make the payment right now, all right? So let me just do the payment and then all right. So watch my next video guide where I'm gonna show you how to submit your payment ID to get your subscription approved. This is very important. So swipe left to watch my next video guide right now.